Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Wan Muhammad Farid Hakimi bin Wasni. Today I would like to present my proposed study tour titled Islamic Practical Studies in Daily Life, which will be carried out in Brunei. Have you ever wondered how Islamic teaching are practiced in daily life even in a modern city? Imagine walking around Bandar Seri Begawan where most community center and Islamic school exist side by side with modern building. I remember visiting Sultan Omar Ali Saifuddin Mosque and seeing people not only praying but also joining community programs and religious classes. It felt like Islam was alive in everyday life, guiding people in both faith and daily routines. My proposed study tour Islamic Practical Studies in Daily Life is not just a trip. It is a chance for us to see how Islamic principles are applied in real life, from worship to education and social activities. To make this experience meaningful, we have chosen three main sites that clearly show how Islamic is practiced in daily life in Brunei. First, Sultan Omar Ali Saifuddin Mosque. At this site, students will join congregational prayer, take part in a guided mosque tour, and attend a short workshop on wudu and proper prayer techniques. This mosque is not only a beautiful Islamic landmark, but also an important center for religious learning and community activities. Through this visit, students will understand how worship and community life are closely connected in Islam. Second, Hasanah Bolkiah Religious School, also known as an Ugama School. Here, students will observe a short Fardu Ain class, learn about the Islamic curriculum, and see how discipline and Islamic values are practiced daily by students. This visit shows how Islamic education helps shape good characters, morals, and daily habits based on Islamic teaching. Third, Kampung Ayer and the Islamic Community Center. Students will visit traditional houses on water, join simple community service activity, and observe how residents practice Islamic values in their daily lives. Kampung Ayer highlights the importance of ukhuwah, cooperation, and helping one another, which are key values in Islam. In conclusion, this study tour allows us to experience Islam not only as theory, but as a way of life. I invite everyone to join this program not just as tourists, but as students who want to understand and appreciate how Islamic teaching guide daily life in Brunei. Let us take this opportunity to learn, observe, and experience Islam in practice. Thank you for listening.